Florida's wild side, it isn't for everyone, but this is where I feel at home. I catch nuisance alligators, the ones that get a little too close to people, and I do it the hard way. From monster gators to shark fishing, this is real Florida. No stage clips, no gimmicks, just raw, wild adventure. I'm AJ, and this is DNA Outdoors. If you love Florida wildlife, fishing, and adrenaline, hit subscribe and come join me for the adventure. Here we go, baby.